If you've been thinking about switching to a powder detergent, this Peppermint one is actually really easy to use. The first thing I noticed is how little you need. It's literally just one small scoop for a full load, so the bag lasts a long time, which makes it feel like a really good value. What stands out is how simple the formula is. It's made with just a handful of ingredients, and the peppermint scent is really light and fresh, not strong or overpowering like some detergents can be. It also dissolves really well. I didn't notice any leftover residue or powder sitting on clothes, which can sometimes be an issue with powders. It works in different types of machines too, including high efficiency washers, and it doesn't create a ton of suds, so it feels pretty low maintenance. I also like how straightforward it is. No measuring liquid, no spills, just scoop and go. Overall, if you're already looking at a powder detergent and want something simple, lightly scented, and easy to use, this is a really solid option to try.